Hey guys, it's me, Josh here. What you're looking at is my thermostat. Well, it's underneath this thing. Pretty easy to get to, and unfortunately the thing decided to crap out on me, and so I'm going to get busy and do it. And I'm going to give you a little show. Today's video is going to be a little bit longer than normal. So here's the new thermostat. And gasket. And here we go. Let's get cracking. What do you think? 12? I think 12. And yeah, I'm back. I had to, get something. Got a bit warm. Yeah, I've been running it a bit hot. Fucking weird as fuck. Because if you can see, that's my heater core over there. It doesn't... don't notice anything drippy. That fucking heater core is just gone. Oh, I guess it's a 13. I live in Nebraska, guys, but unfortunately, I prefer spanner for some fucking reason. And 13s are also known as halves. Unfortunately, I gotta use that damn thing. Okay, it spun around. Damn. Okay. And also, don't let your kids think that antifreeze is a juice. Yeah, it's a juice for your car, not anything else. Oh, by the way, do not use this as a fucking guide. I mean, a guide of any sort. Because honestly, I can really screw my car up. I have zero knowledge on how to do this. Just kind of, you know, as my uncle says, jump in. Hold on, I'll be back. And off on the ground it goes. I'm gonna change the thing now. As you can see, what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to get the old gasket off. How there's not even a fucking gasket on this damn thing. Yeah, I kind of went from working on lawnmowers to working on fucking engines. Oh, what a surprise, right, guys? Oh, if you told me to go rebuild this engine block, I'd be like, what does this do? What does that do? Is that important? Do I need to put that on? I'd be so dumb right now. And a lot of people own these old trucks, but just want to keep them as is and want to, you know, restore them as best as possible. And good for you, because I honestly don't give a fuck. Just like, okay, this piece goes directly like that inside there. Now this other piece, I don't think it has a fucking idea where it goes. I think exactly like that, and this goes on top like that. No need for torque or anything like that. Just, you know, simply just bolt it down. Like what I'm about to do. The next few vids is not going to be on my gaming PC because I've got a lot of work to do on this, such as adjusting the carburetor. Unknown where the hell I even attempt to adjust it at. Everybody keeps telling me, oh, you don't need to adjust it, it's oh, shut up. Trust me, the way it runs, how it runs like shit. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to crank it over and see if anything goes kaboom. And if nothing goes kaboom and it gets warm, yeah, let's go find out. listening to the video, please like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you next video.